Okay, so this is just a basic tutorial about sun gazing. And I know there's a lot of different ones out there on the interwebs, but from years of experience, this is what I'd say, is just go with what feels good. If you start to feel pain and it hurts, then close your eyelids. This is not one of those no pain, no gain situations. It's gonna feel powerful, invigorating, accelerating, exhilarating, and all that other stuff. But it shouldn't feel painful. And you want to do it within 1 hour of sunrise or sunset. And that's to be safe. And those of you that are freaking out thinking, oh my God, I'm gonna go blind. How many times have you gone blind when you watch the sunset? Because it's just like that. Anyway. If you want to do it during the daytime, you want to get the sun behind trees like I'm doing now to kind of filter it out. And you want to follow your intuition. If it hurts, then close your eyes. If it feels good, then leave them open. It's that freaking simple. Yeah, good luck with that.